The sweet journey of chocolate, from bean to bliss. What if we told you every bite of chocolate carries centuries of history and a fascinating story of craftsmanship? Today, we'll unravel the magic behind how chocolate is created, step by step, and explore its rich historical significance. Grab your favorite treat, and let's begin this flavorful adventure. Chocolate begins its journey in lush cacao farms, nestled in tropical regions like Africa, South America, and Asia. Farmers carefully harvest cacao pods, slicing them open to reveal the treasure inside, cacao beans, surrounded by a tangy, sweet pulp. Once harvested, the beans are scooped out and left to ferment for several days. This crucial step brings out the complex, rich flavor notes chocolate lovers crave. Fermentation might sound technical, but this moment defines the very soul of chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun until they are ready for the next stage. Picture rows of cacao beans soaking in the warm sun, a simple yet essential part of the process. The dried beans are then roasted, a moment where science and artistry collide. Roasting unlocks the signature chocolate aroma and solidifies the beans' deep, rich flavors. Each chocolate maker's unique roast creates distinct tastes. Once roasted, the shell of the cacao bean is cracked open to reveal the nibs inside. Machines, or sometimes even hand techniques, are used to separate the nibs from their husks in a process called winnowing. Afterward, the nibs are ground into a paste called cocoa mass or chocolate liquor. Imagine watching hard beans morph into a velvety liquid. It's here where cacao's metamorphosis truly begins. The cocoa liquor is mixed with ingredients like sugar, milk, or cocoa butter, depending on the type of chocolate being made. This mixture undergoes crunching, where it's churned and smoothed to enhance texture and flavor. Next comes tempering, the art of heating, cooling, and reheating chocolate to align its crystals. This ensures chocolate snaps perfectly, tastes divine, and gleams like a glossy jewel. Finally, the liquid chocolate is poured into molds of various shapes, from simple bars to intricate figures. After cooling and hardening, the chocolates are carefully packaged, ready to bring joy to people worldwide. Think about it. Your favorite chocolate bar traveled far and underwent countless transformations to land in your hands. Sweetened with care and history, every bite has a story to tell. Chocolate's story dates back to ancient civilizations like the Mayans and Aztecs. They revered chocolate as the food of the gods, often consuming it as a bitter, frothy beverage loaded with spices. It was considered sacred, used in rituals, and even as currency. When chocolate reached Europe in the 16th century, it gained prominence among the elite, transforming into a sugary luxury. Over time, it became accessible to everyone, evolving into the beloved confection it is today. Each piece carries the legacy of these cultures and their timeless appreciation for cacao. Enjoying chocolate is more than indulgence. It's an act of cherishing cultures, honoring farmers, and celebrating the irresistible fusion of history and ingenuity. It's a universal love story written in every single square. The journey of chocolate is truly extraordinary, wrapping centuries of history and global craftsmanship into every bite. The next time you enjoy chocolate, pause and appreciate the hands behind it. Share your favorite chocolate memory in the comments below and explore sustainable brands to support this incredible industry.